Have you ever cried out to Allah, asking for help, and felt like no one was listening? Maybe you are tired, confused, or lost. You searched for answers everywhere, but nothing worked, until now. You found this video. Allah sent it to you. Pay close attention, because He is answering your call. Life can be hard. Some days feel heavier than others. You try to stay strong, but the problems keep coming. Your heart feels broken, your mind restless. You wonder if things will ever get better. You are not alone. Allah sees every tear, hears every silent prayer, and knows every pain you hide. Sometimes, help does not come the way you expect. It is not always loud or obvious. It may arrive as a small shift in your heart, a sudden idea, a new chance, or someone who shows up at the right time. These are signs that Allah is working for you. Even when you feel lost, He is guiding you quietly, step by step. Think about the times you almost gave up. That moment when you felt hopeless, but something small changed everything. That is Allah's help. He knows the best timing, the best way, the best plan. You may not see it now, but He is preparing something beautiful for you. Your struggles are not punishments. They are lessons, shaping you to be stronger, wiser, and more patient. Every challenge is preparing you for a brighter tomorrow. Every prayer you make plants hope in your heart. Keep trusting, keep praying, keep moving forward. Allah's help is closer than your own heartbeat. Right now, take a deep breath and remind yourself, Allah is with me. He sees me. He is helping me. Your life can change from this moment. The answer to your prayers may be closer than you think. Keep faith alive. Keep your heart open. You asked, and Allah listened. You are not alone. Your struggles, your tears, your prayers, they are all seen. Stay patient, stay hopeful, and watch how life begins to shift in ways you never imagined. If this message touched you, share it with someone who needs hope today. Like, subscribe, and remember, Allah is always with you, listening, guiding, and helping.